Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a game-changing topic for entrepreneurs, how to leverage AI to handle your cold outreach. If you're looking to streamline your outreach efforts and connect with potential clients more effectively, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Segment 1, Introduction to AI Cold Outreach. Cold outreach can be time-consuming, but AI technology can transform the way you approach it. Let's explore how you can harness AI to initiate meaningful conversations and build valuable relationships. Segment 2, Data Analysis. The first step is feeding AI with data. By analyzing your target audience's preferences, behaviors, and needs, AI can craft personalized outreach messages that resonate with each individual. Segment 3, Personalized Messaging. AI-generated messages can be tailored to address the recipient's pain points and interests. This personal touch increases the chances of grabbing their attention and sparking genuine engagement. Segment 4, Timing and Follow-ups. AI algorithms can determine the optimal timing for sending outreach messages. Additionally, AI can automatically follow up with prospects who haven't responded, increasing the likelihood of getting a response. Segment 5, A/B Testing. AI can conduct A/B testing on different outreach messages to identify which ones yield the best results. This data-driven approach helps refine your strategy over time. Segment 6, Continuous Learning. AI learns from each interaction, adapting its messaging based on the responses it receives. This continuous learning process ensures that your outreach becomes more effective with every campaign. Conclusion. And that's a wrap on how to let AI handle your cold outreach. By embracing this technology, you can save time, increase efficiency, and ultimately connect with potential clients on a more personal level. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with fellow entrepreneurs, and hit that subscribe button for more game-changing insights. Until next time, stay innovative and let AI work its magic for you.